In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. And to go back to standard keyboard, tap on this arrow at the top left one. Then to use it, copy or cut any text. And paste it right away by tapping on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also click on Clipboard and paste it by clicking on it here. To pin it, use this pen at the top right corner, tap on the sentence and select pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, click on the pen, select your sentence again and this time use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!